Hello, dear sweet learners. How are you? I hope you all are well. I am also well by the grace of Almighty God. But now we all are staying at home because we are passing a very crucial time, and that is pandemic problem. Also, it's the problem of the world. For this reason, the activities of our school are suspended, and I also miss you, and all of you also miss me. But now I am going to take online class. I would like to request all of you, please join this online class and pause the television. Dear learners, before going to our main job, I want to introduce myself. I am Malay Roy, head teacher of Amtola Banishanta Government Primary School, Dakop, Khulna. On my part, my best wishes and thank you. Dear learners, now I am going to take a class, and that is class 3, subject English, lesson 1 and 2, lesson unit 28 and page 56. Dear sweet learners, please let's enjoy a video. Please enjoy.
One day, a frog was playing in a grassy field when all of a sudden he saw a cow.
Wow, cows are really big.
The frog was mesmerized by the cow's great size. When the frog returned home, he took a deep breath and puffed up his cheeks. Then he asked his family,
So, what do you think? Do I look as big as a cow?
"No," the family replied, shaking their heads. So the frog took an even deeper breath, puffed up his whole body, and asked,
Now I look as big as a cow, right?
"No," the family replied again, shaking their heads even more.
What? I still look smaller than a cow? This can't be.
This time, the frog took the deepest breath he could and puffed himself up with all his might. But as he puffed and puffed, his belly popped.
Oh, my stomach. My poor stomach. Oh.
Okay, dear students, once again welcome everybody. Our today's lesson is the cow and the frog. Okay, please check your pen or pencils and English exercise book and write the headline of the lesson, the cow and the frog. Okay? Dear students, please think about the picture and say, what can you see in this picture? Yeah, it's a picture of a cow and a frog. What does a cow eat? Who can tell? Yeah, a cow eats grass. Where does a frog live? Pond. Okay? A frog lives in the pond. Okay, dear students, look at the picture. What can you see in the picture? Yes, you can see a cow is eating grass. Okay? A cow is eating grass. What can you see in the next picture? What do you see in the picture? Here, in the picture, you can see the frog is sitting on the grass. Okay? You can see the frog is sitting on the grass. Next picture, what can you see? You can see there are two animals here, a cow and a frog. Do you guess what are they doing? Yeah, the frog look at the cow and thinks, the cow is big, I want to be big. The frog look at the cow and thinks, the cow is big, I want to be big. Okay, dear students, please look at the picture and say about it. What can you see? So the frog eats some grass. The frog eats some grass. Now, dear students, please, all of you, open your English book at page 56. Okay? Please open your English book at page 56. Everybody listen and say after me. The cow is eating grass. The cow is eating grass. The frog is sitting on the grass. The frog is sitting on the grass. The frog looks at the cow and thinks, the cow is big, I want to be big. The frog looks at the cow and thinks, the cow is big, I want to be big. So, the frog eats some grass. So, the frog eats some grass. Dear students, please read out this passage silently. The cow is eating grass. The frog is sitting on the grass. The frog looks at the cow and thinks, the cow is big, I want to be big. So the frog eats some grass. Okay, dear students, I think you have completed your reading. Dear students, what can you see in the picture? In the picture, you can see One student read and the next student will listen. Okay? The student read, the cow is eating grass, the frog is sitting on the grass, the frog look at the cow and thinks, the cow is big, I want to be big. So the frog eats some grass. Okay, dear students. Okay, dear students, what we have did, there are some new words here, and you will try to make sentence to use that new words. Okay? At first, all of you look the screen and see the new word. Grass. Grass. Grass means, do you know? A green small plants, okay? And who can make sentence to this word? Yeah, the cow is eating grass. The cow is eating grass. Next word, what can you see? Yeah, it's a frog. Frog. And the sentence to use this word, the frog looks at the cow. The frog looks at the cow. Next word, who can guess? Yeah, cow. Okay? And the sentence is, the cow is big. The cow is big. And the next picture is, who can guess? Yeah, it's a picture of a man and he is thinking. Think. The man is thinking. The man is thinking. Okay, dear sweet learners. Now, you can see here are 5 words. On the left side and on the right side, there are 5 pictures. Okay? And you will match the word with the picture. Okay? The first word is frog. The first word is frog. And the third picture is frog. Okay? The second word is think. Who can tell which picture is matched with the word think? Yeah, the last picture. Think. The next word is cow. Okay? And on the right side, the first picture is cow. Okay? Next word, grass. The second picture is grass. Okay? And the last word is happy. The fourth picture, you can see a frog. And the frog is very happy. Okay, dear students? Now, I have written some questions for you. Please, you will try to write it on your English exercise book. Okay, dear students? First question is, where does the frog live? And the second question is, what does a cow eat? The third question is, which animal is big? And the last question is, which animal wants to be big? Please, all of you, write it on your English exercise book. Okay, dear students? Now, I will give you a home task or homework. Please look at the screen, and on the screen you can see, write 5 sentences about the cow and the frog. Okay? All of you write it at home, and when the school will reopen, I will see it. Okay, dear students? No more today. Now I am going to finish my lesson here, but before going to finish, I would like to give you some tips. Please listen it carefully. Dear students, you must stay at home if you want to be safe. Okay? But if you want to go outside for special needs or essential needs, you must wear a mask. And when you stay outside, you must use hand sanitizer after some times. And when you come back home, you must wash your hands with any kinds of soap or hand wash. Okay? And you must not shake your hands with anybody. Okay, dear students, please follow it. And I would like to request to ask Sangsad Television, which is telecast your online class, and you must listen to the radio, which is broadcast your online class. Okay? No more today. Thank you. Thank you, dear students.